Welcome back to the IT Boss YouTube channel, and I hope you're all doing very well. Um, it's been a long time since I uploaded a video on this channel, and then remembering I think we began a class some few weeks ago, where we were talking about Microsoft Office, the definition for it, and then the types of Microsoft Office that we have. I think I think the last video that I dropped was on the introduction of Microsoft Word, where I think I said that we're going to look at each of the applications which is found in a Microsoft Office, and we are going to discuss about what each of them do, and then the features that is found within each of these applications which are found in Microsoft Office. And I think we began with Word, where I explained a little bit about it, and then I think I took you to a little bit of the definition for what you can do with the Microsoft Word. So today we are going to look at the features that is found within Microsoft Word. And as I said earlier, I think the last time I told you the definition for Microsoft Word, that is meaning used for typing. In the case where you are typing a letter or any kind of document that you are typing, Microsoft Word is the application which is used for that kind of document that you want to type. Microsoft is mainly used for typing of documents, letters, etc. What you can talk about. So today we are going to look at the features under these menus. I remember the last time in the last video, I think I said that in the next video you are going to look at each of the features which are found in Microsoft Office under these menus, which is the home, insert, design, and then page layout, and then reference, mailing, and then review, and then view. As you can see, up there we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have about 9 menus up there, which all of them contains some specific features that you can use when you are typing something, when you are typing a document within Microsoft Office. So we are going to begin first with the file menu here. So as you can see, under the file we have what you call the info. The info is going to display the properties within the machine for you. I hope you understand. Talking of the application, rather, sorry, to display this type of information for you. And then we move to new, and the new, it is where when let's say you want to type a different document, where you may need a new set of sheet, or let me put it in a sheet or space or page. This is where you will come on a file, and then click on new, and then you select this blank document, which will give you the new space where you can type any other different document or letter. As you can see here, we have also some templates under it. These templates are useful. You can download each of them that suit what you want to do, especially when you are when you want to write your resume. And on this template we have a sample of the resume where you can download it and then fill in your documents within the spaces that is given. And at this templates. So let's move on. Here we have open. So this is where you can come and then open any other document that you have already written or that you have already typed, that you want to open and then add some new few things to it, or you want to read through what you typed. This is where you can come open and then you click on my computer. Let me click on it so that you can see. Then you come to desktop. Then voila, as you can see, that's open. So there you select where the document is. Then you click on open and then it will open for you. I hope you understand that. So the next thing under here is under file is save. When I say save, you are talking about, let's say you have an existing document that you have added a little bit of information into it. And I've added a little bit of information in there. The save is where you click. So as you can see here, we have two saves here. One is a save and then the other one is save as. Someone may ask, what is the difference? The save as is used when you have an existing folder that you have added some few information to it. That this is where you use the save. And then the save as is when you have typed a new document or a new letter in Word that you want to save. That's when you use save as. I hope you understand me. So these things are two different. There are two different options, or two different. They have two different uses. The save as is used when you have an existing folder that you have added a little bit of information. That's when you use save. And then the save as is when you have you have typed a new document in Word. I hope you understand me. So let's move on. Then we have print. So if I say print, I hope you understand what I mean. When you want to print something out, that's when you use print. Or when you want to print what you have typed, that's why you use print. Then we have share. If in case you want to share the document being typed to a colleague, a co-worker, or a friend or so. Then we have a spot, and then we have cross, which you can go back to the interface. So let me come here and then continue and then new blank to get this interface again. So our next menu that we're going to look at is the home. You have finished with the file menu and we have come to home. We are going to discuss the features that are found in home. So as you can see under home, we have a lot of features. Under home. So let's begin from the font. So as you can see, we have the font. The font, and it we have the font size. This one is talking about the size of the letters, how big you want them to be. So let me type this. My name is Felix. So you see, this is let's say this is information that I've typed, but I want it to be big. I want it to be big. There, I'll highlight it. And as you can see, what we have under home menu here has appeared here. When I highlighted the text under, as you can see, the menu the options under menu, which is the font size piece, has appeared here when I highlighted the text. So here you can come here and under the font size, and then you can either reduce the text or increase the text to any size that you want. I hope you understand me. So under here too, you can also change the style of the text. Let's say you don't like this type of font. As you can see, it's the Cadbury. Maybe you don't like this type of font. You want to change it to another type of font. You press under this. As you can see, it is already highlighted. So if you want to change anything within the text, you must first of all highlight whether you want to increase the size of the text, or you want to change the font of the text. You must first of all highlight before you can change the font or the size of the text. So as you can see, we have a lot of fonts. So as you can see, when I selected the agency Phoebe, as you can see, the font changed. As you can see, the font has changed. When you select another font also, let me see Algebra, Algerian. As you can see, the font has also changed. So that's the main function of these two options under the home menu, which is the font size and then the font. I hope you understand. And then we also have the B. The B stands for bold. Bold. When you want to make the text bold, the text that you have typed, when you want to make it bold, that's when you use this bold option. And then we have the italic option when you want to, let's say, the text that you have typed. So let me highlight it first. Let me say the text that you have typed. You want to italize it. Let me use that word. So let me click it and for you to see that you can see when I click the italic, as you can see, it is being affected. Have you understand? So let me remove it. No, first of all, you need to highlight first. So mind you, anything that you want to make, if you want to make changes within the text, whether the increase of the size or anything, make sure you highlight first. That's the first thing. And then let me remove the italic from it. And then we have the U. The U. The U stands for underline. Let's say you want to underline a text, or this, I think mainly this is used when you are typing a formal letter. I understand when you are typing a formal letter. Let's say you are typing a formal letter where you are finished with the recipient and then the sender address. Then after the DSL, you see you write something like application for employment so and so. You see, with that text you underline, or whether you're writing a note or anything, you want to highlight the heading, you can use this U, which stands for underline, to underline the heading that you want to underline using the U option here. I hope you understand. Yes. And then we have the stroke, the strike through, and then we have the X, the subscript. Mainly this is also useful, but due to our time, I will be rushing a little bit. You have the subscript, and also we have the subscript. Also, the mathematicians may call it at x raised to the power 2. I you understand me? And I also have okay, so this responds to the font size. You can use it apart from bring the drawdown. You can use it to increase the size of the text. And I also have this option here, where you want to your sentence to begin from uppercase or lowercase, or the capitalized case, or the toggle case. So each option that you use is good by you. I hope you understand. So we have here where you can choose your color. Let's say the color that you want to use for the test. I hope you understand me. This is also one of it. So let me show you here. You have you can change it to black. No, I think this one is basically, let's see. No, I think if you want to change the text, you use this option, which is this. Let me change it to this. As you can see, the color has changed, as you can see. So that is the functions of the options here. I hope you understand me. So let me move on to the other line, which is paragraph written under it. The paragraph, this one is used. The bullet is used when you are typing or making a point, typing points. You can use this. This one also. This one is a numbering. It all means it all falls under when you are typing points, whether you want to number them or how you want it to go about. That's where you use each of these, whether points, using the point, or any of these symbols here, or you can use the numbering, using of this number, either 1, 2, 3, the numeric ones, or the Roman and numeric ones, or ABCD, or the small letter ABCDs. Which one is good by you? So from there you have the alignment, whether you want to type from the left, I want to begin from the center, or from the right, or you want to with the justify, I think it's the same as the center. The justify is just the same as the center. I hope you understand me. And then we have all these special features here. We also have the color also here, where you can change the color. And we have the style, how you want the style to be. I hope you understand me. So I'm bring it to normal. So as you can see, I've finished with the features under home. So let's move it to insert. So under insert, we have table. Let's say the document that you are typing has tables. This is where you come and select the number of tables that you want to use under insert. I hope you understand me. Where you can find the tables is under insert, and then you select the number of tables that you want to use, and then the number of rows and columns that you want to use. I hope you understand me. And then we also have pictures. Let's say while you are typing, you want to include pictures. This is where you come and then you click on it, and then you take it to your desktop. And then where the picture that you want to use is, you go and then you select it, and then you click on insert. Then it will be inserted into the document. And then you have online picture. Where this online picture is where, let's say you want to download. Where you want to download the picture from online. I hope you understand me. When you want to download the picture from online, this is where you're going to use the online feature. But this one you have to have internet before you can download the picture from online. Then we have shapes. Talking of shapes, you're talking of the rectangular shape, the triangle shape, the square shape, any type of shape that you want to use. It also is found here under the insert button or menu. So as you can see, we have so many menus here. So after the shapes, as you can see here, after the shapes, we have what we call the smart chart. Also here, where you can select any type of chart and the smart chart that you want to use. You can also find it here. And we also have the chart in here, whether you want to use the pie chart, the bar chart, any of the chart that you want to use is also found there. I understand. So we also have screenshot. We also have screenshots in here. As you also, that's when if you want to I think take a screenshot also, I guess. I've not really used this new feature, so I think it's mainly used for screenshot. I hope as you can see. And we have the apps for Office. I think right now we don't have anything listed here. I think this one you have to connect to the internet before you see the options down there. You have the online videos, links. These are all based on internet from the apps for Office to the links. You have to have internet access before you can see or use these three functions. Then we have the comments, and then we have the header. So I hope you understand what I mean by the header. You can select the type of header that you want to use under insert. Then you have the footer, and then you have the page number. So here you can select, you can set the page number from here. Maybe you are writing a book where you want to number the pages. This is where you come. This way you come and select the pages. I hope you understand me. This way you come and select the pages. whether you want the numbers to begin from top or bottom, or from the page margin, or from the current position. Any of these can be used. I you understand me. So as I said, that these features are used when you are writing a book, or when you are typing an examination exam questions, or any other document that needs to be numbered. I you understand me. Yes. So this is where you can find the option that can allow you to number them. Then you have the text box. So let's say you type something and you want to put it in a box. This one is different from the table itself. This one is different from the table. I you understand me. And then you have the add a drop cap. You have a lot of functions here. So if you have Microsoft installed on your PC, you can go through and for you to know it very well. I you understand me. So these are all some of the features that you can find, and Microsoft Word under insert menu. So see, someone may ask, let's say if you are writing an examination question where you need to add symbols, equations, and all those stuff. This is where you find all of them. Let's say the symbol for cities, for euro, for pound, for yen, and then any other symbols that you couldn't find, and you couldn't find the option under home, or under shapes. Under shapes in insert. You can find some of them here, and then you can find some of the equation, the math equations, also in here. As you can see, you have the binomial, the binomial theorem, the area of circle, the expansion of some, a lot. I understand. So you can click here, or you can click here for you to see more of the options that you can get under there. I understand me. So you have a lot. The track identity 1 and then the track identity 2. I understand. So these are the options or the features under insert. So let's move to the design menu. So design menu, as you can see, this is where you can find how you want the document format to be. The format, talking about the format itself, how you want it to be. I understand me. This way you can select them, and then we have team. We have teams, and mind you, another team. You are going to find this type of team under Microsoft PowerPoint, which will be our next application and software. And that's what we're going to look at in our next video. We are going to look at PowerPoint, which is going to be our next video after this. So as I was saying, we have this type of theme under PowerPoint. So mind you, I will show you how to get there. So you have themes, as I said, and we have the document formatting, how you want your document format to be, and then you have colors, different kind of colors that you can choose from, that you can use in your text, and you have the font. You have the font here. This one is similar. It's similar to what I showed you in the home menu. I think there's a little bit of difference in it. And then we have the effects. All of these features have performing each function in the Word. Have you understand me? So let's move on to page layout. So this is where you want to set the margin, whether to normal, to narrow, to moderate, to wide, to mirrored, how you want your margin to be. This is where you set it, and then you have the orientation, whether you want it as a portrait or landscape, and you have the size, whether an A4 sheet or A5 or B4 or A3, how you want the size to be. Then you have the column, whether you want to set the column to be 2, 3, 5, or to the right or to the left, how you want it. To this another page that this where you can set your how you want the page to be. Talking of the size, either A4, I will have showed you where it is. So this is where you can do all your let me say your page layout, and then your margins, and then your orientation, whether portrait or landscape. So let's move to reference. As you can see here, mostly we don't I don't normally use the reference menu, so I'm going to skip that together with the mailing. I think you understand, whether you want to send a document to a friend or so. That's why you come to mailing, and then we have to review. So yes, as you can see here, under review, you have the language. You have the language, whether you want to change the language of this word, and you have translate. If you want to do a little bit of translate and all those stuff. This is it. So you have a lot of features under review, and then the last one we have what we call the view. As you can see, if you want to zoom, this is where you can zoom, and then so we have another option here which can help you zoom the page, whether I want to zoom it in or reduce the page, or want to make it bigger using this zoom option here. I hope you understand me. So these are the features that are found in Microsoft Word. These are the features that are found in Microsoft Word. As you can see, I did a little bit of rush so that you can move on to the other lessons. I hope you understand me. So I'm giving you an assignment. If you have a Microsoft installed on your PC, if you have Microsoft Office installed on your PC, I will kindly suggest that I'll kindly tell you to open Microsoft Word and then go through the options that I showed you here, so that you can learn more about it. I hope you understand me. Go through the Microsoft Word on your machine and then learn more about it. I hope you understand me. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, share, and then like this video for us, subscribe this video for us, and also share. Thank you very much, and I hope you like this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.